Ever wonder how traders get a feel for a token's momentum and spot key trends? It's not just from looking at the price chart, but also understanding other live market activity on a granular level. That's where GeckoTerminal's interactive chart and live transaction table come in. These powerful tools work together to give you a complete view of a token's trading history and real-time on-chain activity. Let's dive in. First, we have the TradingView chart. It's fully interactive, letting you perform technical analysis on a token with built-in indicators and drawing tools. You can zoom in with a 1-second candlestick chart, giving you an extremely detailed look at recent price action. You can also switch the price chart to a market cap chart to track a project's valuation over time. And for advanced users, you can switch the quote token from USD to a native token like SOL, which is super useful for liquidity providers. Next, the transaction table gives you a live look at every trade. This constantly updating table lists every recent buy and sell, showing you the timestamp, type, price, token amounts, and value of each trade. It's like a live feed of the market. Now, let's switch to GeckoTerminal on mobile. Refine your analysis further with swap filters. Just click the funnel-shaped icons to activate filters and cut through the noise. Filter for only buy transactions to see how strong recent bids are. Filter out noise by looking at only dolphin or whale transactions. Or you can even track a specific wallet's movements, which activates chart markers that allow you to visualize that wallet's trades directly on the price chart. Altogether, these tools give you everything you need to spot trends and make more confident decisions. Ready to start analyzing like a pro? Head over to GeckoTerminal.com today.